Do you avoid repotting your plants because you know you're going to have dirt all over your table and floor? This little gardening mat completely solved that problem for me. Stay until the end because I'll show you why every plant lover needs one. If you're anything like me, I'm the crazy plant lady. I'm constantly propagating, planting, and repotting my plants, but every single time I'd finish, I'd have potting soil everywhere. Cleaning up almost took longer than repotting the plant itself. Then I found this waterproof plant repotting mat, and it has completely changed the way I garden indoors. You get one large 26.8-inch by 26.8-inch waterproof gardening mat that's made from thick Oxford cloth with a durable PVC backing, so it's built to last and can be reused over and over. One of my favorite features is the copper snaps in each corner. You simply snap them together and the flat mat instantly becomes a tray with raised sides that keeps dirt, potting soil, leaves, and water contained. When you're finished, just unsnap the corners, dump everything into the trash or back into your potting soil bag. Wipe it clean and fold or roll it up for storage. It takes up almost no space. I also love that it's waterproof, so whether I'm watering plants, transplanting seedlings, propagating cuttings, or even cleaning flower vases on my kitchen table, I know my surfaces are protected. If you're wondering if it's sturdy enough, I was pleasantly surprised by how durable it feels while still being lightweight and easy to carry anywhere. This little mat has completely eliminated the biggest frustration I had with gardening, the huge mess afterward. Now I can enjoy taking care of my plants without dreading the cleanup. Whether you're just getting into houseplants or you're a full-blown plant addict like me, this is one of those simple products you'll wonder how you ever lived without. Check it out today. You'll be so glad you did.